How to remove your phone number from your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, then click these 3 points, edit profile, scroll down until you find here contacts, and here is it. If you want to remove it, just delete it and go back, save it, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.